Project contacts are the people who will be able to consult and contribute to the project NID. We'll see in this video that each of these contacts can be assigned a role in the project. A user who is not identified as a project contact can, under certain circumstances, consult the project, but cannot contribute to it. A contact person for a project supplier, contractor, professional, or even an employee of your organization, for example, does not imply that he or she is a contact on this project. The person will have to be identified as such in the project. It is important to clearly identify the contacts on a project, as several ID functions refer to these contacts to designate activity managers in scheduled tasks, users who can view or be identified in logbook notes, and people who can receive scheduled periodic reports. The videos for each of these functionalities will help you to understand the function of contacts in relation to these functionalities. Project contacts are part of the elements that can be copied from the project template used for creation. They can also be selected manually from the project details page. And there is no limit to the number of contacts in a project. When you access ID, if your project is not selected, you will see the list of all the projects to which you have access. The projects on which you are identified as a project contact. This is precisely the subject of this video, how to create and manage project contacts. So I select the project, and note that when a project is selected, the reference and title of the project are displayed on top of the secondary menu. Then we go to the project details page right here at the top corner. And we go to the contacts section. As I selected a template when I created this project, the contacts shown here were imported from my template project. To add a new contact on this project, just click on the Add button just here. And then you can search by name or company in the suppliers page. Note that it's possible to invite a user from outside your organization as a contact. So I select this one here and I click Save. So here is the contact I just added. You can see there's a padlock that is displayed here for this contact. It indicates that this person is a user with limited access to his organization. A setting at user level indicates that his rights are restricted to his company's data. For example, you may wish to invite contractors to your project and restrict their access so that they see only information associated with their organization. Users added as project contact will be able to take action on the project according to their user access profile. I'll show you in a moment that you can still restrict a user rights on the project. But now let's see how you can modify some of the elements linked to these contacts. So we have a three-dot menu just right here. And this menu allows you to perform various actions for the selected contact. First of all, this is where you can identify a contact as a project manager. This will enable the contact to access the project manager menu in the scheduler. By selecting Set as Project Manager, the contact's icon will turn blue and indicating that he or she is the project manager. In the same menu, just right here, you can also restrict a contact's right. As an ID user, a contact may have certain access rights. If for the specific project, this contact is to have read-only access, we can select Restrict Rights to Read-Only, just here. And here, the reverse function is also available to restore rights with Remove Read-Only, just here. Finally, you can remove a contact from the list from this menu let's see, just right here, and remove from the list. Just click yes, and this person has been removed from the list. In closing, I would like to suggest you some article to read in our wiki. So the article Project Contacts that is available on the wiki provides a good summary of the contents of this video, which you can refer to at any time. More detailed articles on project contacts are also available in the wiki. Please note that depending on your permissions and ID, you may not have access to all the items mentioned in the more detailed articles.